Transform your outdoor oasis with a striking fountain. 7 nozzle spray. 5 LED lights for nighttime. 4 water flow gears. 310 gallon power max flow. Maximum lift height 8.2 feet. Solar battery direct drive power supply. Excellent design. Accent waterproof. 10 meters remote control. 5 meter wiring. Solar panel fixing bracket. Filter mesh, filter impurities. Solar fountain pump operation. Installation of fountain pumps. Installation of solar panels. Connecting the battery controller. Fix the solar panel. Fountain pump into water. Battery controller operation. 4 water flow gears. 1 gear, 2 gear, 3 gear, 4 gear. 7 nozzle spray. 10 meters remote control. Light operated. 5 LED lights for nighttime. 2 timer off modes. Add serenity with garden fountain.